Hello and Namaste to all Khukuri lovers. We are really proud to introduce our new creation, the Junga Bahadur 2.0 Khukuri. This Khukuri is something special. The blade has deep details carving, the handle is beautiful engraved. Every part is made with care and tradition. It has been handicrafted by Ganesh Bahadur Luhar, our master smith and CEO of Royal Handicraft and Khukuri Space. He has put his heart and soul into this piece and it shows. This Khukuri is perfect for both using and collecting. Whether you are a fan of history, craftsmanship or just love a strong blade, this one for you. We are also making a modern case using real python leather with or something bold, classic and comfortable. If you are interested or have any questions, just direct message us. Thank you. Jai Nepal, Jai Khukuri.